This new compact and powerful blower from Ego will blow you away. It kind of gives you a fright the first time you pull the trigger. It reaches top speed instantly. Really small and compact, but powerful. It's able to lift mud, wet leaves, stuff that gives other blowers the struggles. Up on top, it's got a nice, easy to read digital display with a variable speed trigger and a trigger lock button under your thumb. You squeeze that variable trigger to the speed you want the blower blowing at, press that lock button, it keeps it at that speed, you can release the trigger, but you can also give the trigger bursts, so you can hit that turbo button mode when you have something difficult, hard to move, and then it reverts to whatever speed you locked it at. You can then just tap that lock button again to release the trigger. Another benefit of that is because it's such a powerful blower, you don't need to run it full tilt all the time, and if you're using a 5 amp hour battery, on low you can get up to 100 minutes of continuous runtime. That tiny brushless motor turning over 1,500 cubic meters of air every minute, at a velocity of up to 89 meters every second. And they've got this thing so small and light by using carbon fiber in the body, it's also really strong. Great new blower from Ego, available at all Sydney Tool stores right now. It's available both a bare tool and a combo kit. The bare tool comes with the round nozzle, the wide nozzle, and the shoulder strap. A combo kit comes with all this, plus 2 5 amp hour batteries and a charger. They're available at Sydney Tools right now. You head over to our website for the full specs. To order online, if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.